Canada here, and welcome to the final episode of Operation Green Machine Exotic. We are here back at the Halifax Rehab Center, and they just took Green Machine Exotic into the back room to get the new seat fitted. So I ordered this chair. For those of you that are new, first off, thank you for subscribing. For those of you that are new with us, I ordered this brand new chair 2 years ago, specifically on March 13th of 2020, just before we went into lockdown. And I took delivery of this chair 5 days before Christmas. So this is the final step of getting the new seat in. So we're gonna show you guys how the new seat looks in the new chair, and besides that, we're gonna show you the pressure mapping to help show where there's any hot spots if you're more prone to pressure sores. So just gotta wait for the chair to come back, and then I'll catch you guys in a few.
Okay.
Alright guys, we are finally in the brand new seat on my brand new Green Machine Exotic. So before we head out, we're gonna do a few test runs to see how it feels and see if we make any more adjustments. And it turns out we do not have to do any pressure mapping. I forgot that we did do that previously when I was being fitted for the new chair. So let's take this baby for a ride and really open up the throttle on it.
There you go, I'll just video you.
Oh yeah. And the feeling on this thing, I'll put it like this. The brakes, they work great, but when you get to slower speeds, they get really touchy, but otherwise, perfect fit. This thing looks amazing now with a new updated seat, and it's 10 times more comfortable. My body was having like an emotional shock when I got in this thing. It feels amazing, guys. So I'm gonna let the guys finish up things on this chair, and then we get to take her home again. See you in a few.
You too, so you can have that availability to do that. Yeah.
Okay guys, here's some things you don't see every day. This tunnel is actually connected to the Halifax ET hospital, and it also connects to the Halifax Rehab Center. So we figured we just take this for a free while the rest of the crew is on break. Oh look guys, there's an elevator. The Dover Impulse. Check that out. And we are to the left. A bit of a dip. Oh.
Yeah, okay?
Yeah. Pretty sketchy here, guys. Now we got a clear shot I'm gonna extend it for you guys.
Here you go.
There you go, that's what you say. And just like that, we are back at the rehab center. And there's another one.
Just a second, I have a picture of the doorway.
Alright guys, it's been a few days. Sorry I didn't do any other clips there. We had quite the busy schedule that day, so we had to get moving, and then it was quite the drive coming home, so I was pretty wiped. But yeah, that's it for Operation Green Machine Exotic. After a 2-year wait, the project is finally complete. I am beyond happy with the results, and Permobil knocked it out of the park again for making another great chair. And the seating company, they nailed it with the cushioning and everything. It feels so much better than my other seat from my older chair. Like, it's night and day, guys. Like, my body was just, it felt so much better. It was like it had this giant sigh of relief when I first sat in this new seat. It's really something as a wheelchair user. For the average person, you get in a chair, yes, it's comfortable and everything, but as a wheelchair user that has a specially molded seat for my body that sort of takes care of certain areas that require a little more cushioning, or just a little more comfort for areas that are prone to pressure sores or just irritation in general. I also have spots in the seat that are molded specifically for my back because of my rods that I've had in my back for I would say over a decade now. So yeah, that's how much effort goes into making one of these seats. But typically it doesn't take 2 years. For those of you that missed the information on why this seat was delayed, it was not just because of the pandemic, but it was because their machine broke down that trimmed the moldings to create the material in general for the seating. So that problem got resolved, thank God, because now I am literally in wheelchair heaven. So all that's left now is to do the review on both the chairs to see which chair is truly the king of the road. So thanks for watching this entire saga. I hope you enjoyed the journey as much as I did. It was really fun, and there will be plenty more videos to come on this chair due to the elevator video drought. Catch you later, guys. Stay safe, and thanks for watching.